Today we will discuss about how we can generate post via WPCLI. So basically it is required some testing time and development time in the news website or and there is lots of traffic on the website. Then how our website work. So at that time we just simply push our data from production to staging, and then generate dummy data manually. But via WPCLI we can generate data uh, via uh, via WPCLI automatically. So for and also we have to check performance issue is coming or not. So we can check all thing, and sometime it is required client say that generate uh, generate 50 product on the WooCommerce store. Then it is very handy via WPCLI. So let's start. First of all, we have to move to our admin installation WP installation path. So currently I am at WP installation path. Don't worry, I will provide all these link all these command to the in the description or in the gist file. So second, we will check all command option which we are doing. Like in the WPCLI, if we write WP help before any command, then it will provide all option available in the CLI. So we just write here, and at here you can see WP post generate is have option count, post type, post status, post title, post author, post date, etc. You can also see these all option also described at here. And if we do not give count, then it will take 100, and if we do not give post type, then it will take post. Same for post status and title. So and now we generate simple post. So for post generate, WP post generate and hyphen count and equal to 10. First we do Control C, and then WP post generate count 10. Now we will check. Let's check. As we do not assign any category, so it come inside undefined category, and at here it is 10 product is coming, 10 post is coming. So now I generate page with page by WPCLI, like page 2024 by WPCLI. So at here I have to assign post type equal to page, and at here count equal to 1, and post type page, and now it is generated. Now let's check page page 2024 by WP CLI. Now it's generated. Now for generate custom title and status, like 20 post with custom title and status. So for that we can generate post WP post generate and count 20 and post title sample page. So sample post will add in every post. Sorry. Now check at here, it is 50 and now it will come to 70. It is 70 and sample post 116, 115, etc. And if client or we have to check performance issue with WooCommerce, then we can generate product via this command, and it is simple command, and post type is product, and we can generate post at here. Now at here in the product, these are 78 products. Now it's generated, and now let's check. Now it is 88 and you can see all generated, and I think we covered many things at here, and let me know if you encounter any issue regarding it, and this command WP post generate, and let me know if any issue you are facing, and if you like this video, then please like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Thank you.